Hello everyone. I know it's been like a hot minute since I did any kind of makeup, really. I haven't worn any, I haven't done anything that I would want to wear it for. First update, I did do my hair. My hair girl Katie, who always does my hair, dyed it dark. We went back to like jet black, but we left the light pieces in the front because I like having them to play with and do like cool braids and stuff with. So that being said, I've been gone a little bit, mainly because work got kind of stressful and I was a little bit behind, and I'm still playing catch up a little bit, but you know, sometimes when you work for a corporate entity, it gets stressful, things change. You know, I'm not going to talk too bad about it just because I still work there. But yeah, just a lot of changes, some of which I don't really understand what's happening, but hopefully I will soon. I'm just kind of playing it by ear, and that's why I am doing this today, because I'm like, I need to do something that is not work related, but that is very hard when you work from home and there's no real like I need to set hours for myself, basically, where I kind of wish I had a work phone in that sense, where I could just shut it off after like 6, or you know, but that doesn't always work because some days I get up early and work a whole bunch, and then other days I don't get up till later and, you know, work still a whole bunch. But yeah, so I wanted to do like a fun, just something fun, like put on something, take some pictures, use some products I don't always use. I have like all my oranges and yellows out and kind of peaches, so definitely feeling something very warm. So yeah, and I have some like gold dust out here. I think I'm gonna start with the Orange Glad palette because it has the lightest colors. But yeah, that's why I wasn't here. We've just had a bunch of different stuff going on, and trying to like reorient myself and get a new balance back is hard. Like once you're out of a kind of balance like that, I feel like it's super hard to get back into it. I don't mind, like I like getting critiques on my writing because it tells me what they expect of me, but I don't do well with like the compliment sandwich, where it's like, oh, you know, you did this great and this great, but not so much this, but you did this really good. Like, just tell me what I need to fix. That is what I would like to know, truly. And if there's nothing I need to fix, cool. That is perfect. I don't need to hear anymore. Like, once I turn something in, it's gone. And some of that I think is from like college, doing some online stuff. It's like, it's out of sight, out of mind, turned in, done. So I definitely am struggling with that all of a sudden. I don't know, that's like a recent thing. Like before it wasn't, and now it is. I've also been making, well, I say been making, like I've made a lot. I have made 2 TikToks recently that are like book talk stuff. They're just basically like little recommendations, which I kind of did before. So if you guys want to see those, it is the same name as my Instagram name. I feel like I've been reading a moderate amount. I won't say a lot, because it's taking me a little bit to like get through books, but I am getting through books. Actually, in my first DNF of the year, I was trying to go the whole year without one. Not because I'm like just reading books that I maybe don't like, but in the sense of like being more thoughtful with my TBR picks. But I have also decided I'm not going to do TBRs anymore. I'm just going to mood read. And that, I think, has helped keep me from a reading slump tremendously. Oh, but yeah, I DNF'd the London Seance Society by Sarah Penner, or Penier, depending on how they pronounce it. And that was kind of a disappointment, just because I thought I would like it, but I didn't like The Lost Apothecary, so I don't know why I thought I would like the London Seance Society. I guess because it was a little bit of a different concept. I mean, I guess in a way it's the same concept, but it just felt a little different. Have I bought any books? Oh, I did buy some books. Since my last haul, I have bought some books. I finally bought Icebreaker, which I may start tonight. I also got Lore Olympus, and I'm not sure that I'm loving it. I'm gonna like read the whole thing just because it is a graphic novel, and that's kind of like a quick, you know, run through on those. But I don't know, I feel like it's not, I'm only like not even 100 pages in, so I have a lot of time to go. But I thought, like, I don't know, I guess I thought it was gonna be different. But my one friend wants to read it, so if I'm not in love with it, I'm going to give it to her. See, I should just do my makeup every morning, and then I wouldn't have to worry about this, because I feel 1,000 times better already. I just felt overwhelmed today. Like, I have to remind myself that I can only do one thing at a time. So when I get, like, all these changes that I have to make to one thing, I just want to, like, snap my fingers and make them all change. But I can't do that. So I have to like slow down, go back, make changes, that kind of stuff. And I know I'm going to have to do it again tomorrow, which I'm not looking forward to. Okay, I did my mascara and stuff, and the bottom lash just got a little spidery. But I'm not going to lie, this eye shape is the vibe I wanted. So I'm pretty happy right now. Let's do some face makeup. I haven't used this foundation in a while, so I thought I'd give it a shot. It might be a little light, but once I contour and everything, it'll probably actually be exactly what I want. A concealer, it looks a little garish right now, mainly because I have no contour on. So let's fix that, shall we? That's a little dark on my nose, but we'll blend it. Nose is done, and now let's do the cheeks and under eyes. I am contoured everywhere, jaw, cheeks, forehead, and a little bit under the eye here. I'm gonna do just a deep brown, something warm. I'm gonna take a little bronzer, just kind of go back over the places I contoured. Blush. I'm just doing a matte pink. Time for highlights. I'm gonna use a fan brush. Does anyone even use these anymore? I'm using one. So, editing me here. It is the next morning, and I'm editing this and realizing I did not film an outro. So, I'm gonna put this picture up here. This is what the makeup looked like. This is what the fit was. I went absolutely nowhere. I just took a bunch of pictures because I felt like it. And yeah, that's about it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hopefully I'll be, you know, back in the swing of constant content very soon. I am going on vacation soon though, so that kind of puts a wrench in things, but we'll make it work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.